few years later, I was like 13 or 14, my mother, she caught me smoking a cigarette, and to punish me, she made me smoke the entire pack right in front of her. It was awful. I spent the rest of my childhood just like terrified that she would catch me masturbating. Right, because what would she make me smoke then? Like, yeah, it's not good. You okay? Do you need some water? You got water? I feel like you caught a son masturbating and you're having some sort of PSD. Your cat? You caught your cat masturbating? I'm allergic to cats, so that would really upset me. You can't even speak. This is awesome. Do you take some water?
I have 6 boys.
So there's someone masturbating in your house 24 hours a day? That's just endless. You know why they have Amazon, like every month from Amazon, you just get more tissues. There's more tissues. Okay, I'm sorry. He was masturbating on your couch. Was he under a blanket? Well, at least he had a blanket. Wow. The thing is, I can see her face and it's like a happy memory. It's wonderful. I'm glad you connected with that joke. We now have a bond. I should be wearing the milk shirt right now. That would make way more sense. All right, that was fun. You're gonna love. If you like that one, you're gonna love this next one. What's wrong with her? Did you also catch her son masturbating? What's wrong with you? That's a great. It was such a good laugh. By the way, this is my rest of the set. I'm just gonna wait. For some time. It's good. When I was 14 for my birthday, my parents gave me high-powered binoculars. Yeah, it's important everyone here understand I didn't ask for high-powered binoculars. I wasn't dropping hints that there were things I wanted to binocle, okay? It's like my parents just looked at me, they're like, he's 14, he's probably a creep. He probably fucks the couch under a blanket, that's probably what they were thinking.